everyone starts with one sale. Okay, think about it this way. Because sometimes we, as a human being, we are kind of impatient. Di po ba? Gusto natin immediate result eh. That is the problem. That's why we get into trouble. That is why a lot of people cannot stick on a diet for the same reason. That is why a lot of people get scammed for the same reason. Because we want what? Immediate result. Well, by natural law, hindi po dapat ganun. Di po ba? Like in our place, in Canada, there's a 4 season. Winter, spring, summer, or fall. You cannot skip. When you skip, it's not good. Same thing with our fruits, di po ba? Sa mga meron ba diyang medyo may alam sa mga organic food because kami po ay nasa organic. We buy stuff na natural po yung growth niya, walang mga pesticide and all. You know how it works, right? So the reason they put pesticide and all these chemicals sa ating pong mga pagkain so that they can speed up the growth of our fruits. Para yung mansanas, for example, I don't know the exact number. So, but let's just say it take them 3 weeks to mag-produce ng really red juicy apple. They're gonna force it by spraying chemicals sa apple tree so that instead of 3 months, it will take them just 1 month. The problem is, pag tayo po kumain rather, ng apple na may chemical, in-spray as if you also ate chemicals. So chemicals right now is one of the leading sources po ng cancer. So the same thing with what we do in business. Be patient as long as you are working on something. Everyone starts with their first product. Everyone starts with their first sale. Everyone starts with their first website. Everyone starts with their first visitor, right? Ganun naman po lahat. So just be patient, all right? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.